Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how can you download and install Blender on PC. First of all, you have to search for Blender on your browser. You will find this here, the first link over here. Click on it, and here you have to click on this download button, and now click on this download Blender 4.3.0. This is the latest version. Click on it, and yep, so it's asking me to donate. So less than 0.1% of user donate to Blender. Your contribution will make a difference. We will don't show so advertisement and save your data. We are completely funded by the donation from our community. So if you like to donate them, you can donate, guys. So just the our setup is being downloaded, so you have to wait for it to be downloaded. Now the setup is download. You just need to click on it to install. Installation is pretty straightforward, so click on next, accept, click on next, and click on install. So once just give the permission to install it. So once the installation is complete, click on finish, and let's open the Blender 4.3. So this is how it's going to guys open, and you can change the setting if you like. If you want to see a light Blender, you can choose it. This is how it's going to look, but the black one, it looks much better. And the key map, you can choose it. You have to choose mouse select, space, action. So yeah, let's save it, and now let's start with general. So this is how guys this is how it looks. I literally just forget. Yeah, this is how you can increase the size. You can uh, just press X, not, you can just resize along x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Press S to resize it, and for R rotation you have to press R to rotate along x-axis. Just press X. To rotate along y-axis, press Y, and to rotate along z-axis, just press Z. And one more key, which was, so you can see so right now it is in object mode. You can choose the edit mode. This is our edit mode. This is our sculpt mode. So the interface has changed because I just stopped using it. Now this is a vertex paint, this is a weight paint, and this is texture paint. So we usually design our object or any design in object and edit mode, and the last four things are for the coloring part. These four parts is the coloring, and I would say three last three would, and the first three are for the sculpting and designing. So yeah, hope you like it guys, and yeah, this is how you can install and download Blender on uh, PC Windows, and or you can install the Macbook on the Macbook in a similar way. So, and also that's how you can set up your things. And here's you can see your layers of your design. You can, and also you can guys change the property of your object from here. So yeah, it's very easy to use, very simple. You can start learning Blender. It's very useful as well. So yep, hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then.